Yes, my people, I Fire Reid one more time, True Jamaican Vibes. Yes, I'm in Manchester. You don't know me again, a tour today at the Mud Lake plus Kendal Crash. So I want to take a tour with me. Just pull up at the gas station, get some gas. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. One love, my people. Blessings, you know. One more time, my people. Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes. So I am in Mandeville. Well, Manchester. Right now I'm at the Mud Lake. So take a look, my people. Look at the beauty. So everyone's supposed to know the purpose of the Mud Lake. You know, it's a huge area where residue from processing bauxite has been dumped over a decade. When drained out, an interesting texture come from it, my people. So just take a look. So you can see it's a large area where bauxite drain out, okay? So welcome to Manchester, my people. Hills and valley. As you can see right up there in that hill area, I think up there is Blue Mountain and where you can go to Banana Ground. So we're having a nice weather today in Manchester. It's very sunny. Very sunny weather today. As you can see, a pipe line running this area. Sometimes they like turn on the pipe and let it wet the mud. I don't know the reason why. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. So keep on watching, my people. So I'm gonna take you all to where Kendal. I'm gonna take you all to Kendal. So everyone's supposed to know about the Kendal Crash. So stay with me, my people. So I'm gonna take you all to Kendal, True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid, thank you all for watching my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, my people. So now we're going to Kendal. So take the tour with me, my people. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Nice scan done. It's gonna be a short ride, my people, so enjoy it. So we're going to Kendal Crash area. So we're gonna approach a roundabout which will take us to Chorus and also can take you back to Royal Flat. So my people, we are going to Kendal today. So we're gonna make a left turn. We're gonna approach a roundabout. So keep left, my people. Yes, my people. We drive past this bridge every day, but please walk with me today, alright? With me today. So I'm walking in Kendal area. True Jamaican Vibes. So take a walk with me in Kendal, my people. So just keep on watching, my people. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Nice calm down. And also in Kendal we also have a coffee factory. So I'm gonna take you all very soon to that coffee factory. Yes, my people. Just take a closer look. So we are in cool Manchester. Yes, my people. So right now I'm at the train station in Kendal. So the gate is closed, so I really cannot enter. So everybody know on September 1st, 1957, one of the worst train crashes in the history of the world at Kendal in Manchester, killing 186 people and several hundred persons live injured. So thanks for watching, my people. So right now I'm at Kendal train station, Manchester. Let's take a look, my people. Yes, my people. So enjoy the tour through Jamaican Vibes. As you can see, the iron are still standing. That's some people, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Trust my people, I would love to see chain running in Jamaica again. I would love to see that. I don't know when. So many things are taken away from Jamaica. So many things. Or sweet, sweet Jamaica. So I don't know when the change is gonna make. So enjoy walking the chain line with me. So keep on watching. So I'm gonna take you to the building, the chain station. So keep on watching, my people. So I really don't have a clue what this little tour all about. So just take a tour with me same way. Giving you a closer look. So take a tour with me today in Manchester, Mandeville. I don't know if this is piece of the wreckage, but I'm gonna take you closer. History, my people. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yes, you don't know, so this is the Aki tree. Aki are like open. So you saw me talk about Jamaica sweet. Everywhere you go, you're supposed to can find an Aki tree, no matter where. And also we have a noni tree right over here. Just keep on watching. Just giving you a few trees that we have in Jamaica. This is a noni tree. Very good for us. They call it duppy soursop. Good for hypertension, cholesterol, hypertension. Sorry my people, hypertension. So this is this train station, my people. So enjoy the tour. I know many people love to ride on this chain in Jamaica, so I would love for this to happen again in sweet, sweet Jamaica. As you can see right here, this is the ticket area. So keep on watching, my people. So I'm gonna take you to the coffee factory. So maybe I give you an outside tour. I don't think I can go inside, so I'm gonna give you an outside tour. So take a walk with me on the main True Jamaican Vibes. Yes, my people, right now I'm on the main road. This is the closest I can get to the coffee factory, my people. True Jamaican Vibes. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, Fire Reid.